Well, we're beginning day 3 here. We're almost halfway through our allotted time to build this car. We're trying to make progress as we go. We're finding out that there's more and more things that maybe we're missing or aren't quite right, or you know, there was some issues getting the lines in yesterday with some of the brackets that were flipped in the wrong direction. Freddie stayed late last night, got some lines in. This is kind of one of the main things in the chassis that we need to get done so that we can build out backwards and build out forwards. Today we're hoping to get all the lines in, and then we can start, you know, building that rear firewall, the front firewall stuff. Somebody's going to be working on getting the doors together today. Somebody's going to be working on getting the dash together today, get these assemblies ready to go in. So we're going to try and make some good progress today. It's going to be tight. Yeah, it's definitely going to be tight. So stay tuned. We're working our butts off. We're staying late. We're getting here early. We'll do everything we can to try and get this thing up and running.